FutureDoc is this fantastic program. It really gives you all the support and the help that you need if you were applying to medical school. So if you felt a bit lost, or FutureDoc would be what I'd go to for basically to get into medicine. They've got all great tutors, great programs, and YouTube channels as well. There's just endless amounts of resources to help you get into medicine, and that's what I would recommend to people. What I've found difficult is not having that support. So I'm not able to go to student advisors. I'm not able to. There's nobody to really turn to ask for, well, how would I go about the application? What do I need in the application? And FutureDoc has been really good in that the program is quite bespoke almost to you. There's always having a personal tutor, but also being able to ask you questions and about anything that I might need help with. And you're always tailoring the programs to us, and that's what I've found really helpful. It would be the tutoring sessions, I think, being able to really just the monthly progress as well, having that one person to always being able to feed back and sort of bounce off of ideas if you're a bit unsure and things. And what I found really helpful is that they can always offer feedback from, say, from the very beginning, and then a few months in, when you're just about to submit your application and things, they're able to, really to tell you about your growth, really, and your progress, and it's really good to hear. So I've really enjoyed having the tutors. Thank you so much for the support. Having that there, really, and knowing that it's not just the resources that are there at my disposal, but also being able to email into FutureDoc and having a response so really quickly. I just always felt that I had that support behind me, and that's something I'd really like to thank FutureDoc for.